Okay, to show you guys how to do this, it's pretty simple. Now say you have your camera out and you got it mounted on your chest and you're holding it just like so. You can see now that it's in horizontal position, so it's a matter of just pushing the shutter button here or pressing the button itself on here. We'll go ahead and push on that one. And now it's recording in horizontally. Okay, now maybe you want to record some shorts or any kind of content for social media that is in a different aspect ratio. The way to do that is all you do is you flip your camera up like that. And as you can see on the rotation on the screen, it's now in short format or vertical format. If you want to go back to landscape, it's just a matter of rotating the camera just like that, and you're recording a landscape. So one bit to note is if you are starting to record in landscape view, just like this, if you rotate it, it won't flip because we are recording. Let me go ahead and stop recording. All right, now we'll go to vertical format. Okay, now you can start recording, but you have to rotate the camera first. So we'll go ahead and hit record. And as you can see, now it's recording in vertical format. And if you turn it this way, it won't rotate to landscape. So you have to know which one you want to record in before you start recording. Let me go ahead and stop it. Okay, now it saves the clip. But that's how you record vertically and horizontally on the Insta360 GO 3S.